In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L3258 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, include Windows Real-Time Protection and the Temper Protections if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the resetter file, you can just right-click on the file and select Extract All. After that, click Extract button here. Open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs. For the first time use, you need a password that you can see on this password.txt file. Then you can run the adjustment program. In here, you can click Select button and choose the model L3258 printer. Then you can click OK. After that, click Particular Adjustment Mode button and choose Was Ink Pad Counter and click OK. Tick on Main Pad Counter option, Flatten Pad Counter option, and Ink System Pad Counter options. After that, you can click Check button. Then, you can click Initialize button. If the resetting is successfully, you can turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. You can also close the resetter programs. In any case you face error, you can try moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson L3258 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. And thanks for watching.